Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel Tip Top Monitor. This YouTube channel will introduce you about MMMDAP, how to register, how to PH, how to GH, how to make letter of happiness. And now I want to show you about feature and menus in this MMMDAP. Okay, if you click in the up right corner, this you can see menus about dashboard, participant. Okay, about dashboard, participants, my page, promotion, Mafro, lottery, account, telegram group, and menus in this MMMDAP. And I will explain these menus one by one to you. Okay, first thing I will explain you about dashboard. In this menu you can see about display total contract, and if you click this you can see what is total contract, the total amount of the current accumulated USDT of the total contract address. Contract address you can see here, order contract you can see, and you can close. Okay, and you can see about MCT sold, you can click to what is sold Mafro, and about MCT destroy you can click to, about MCT price you can click to here, the description of Mafro price, about jackpot funds you can click here, the description about jackpot funds, funds of refund, preparatory jackpot, daily prize pool, member account, waiting amount, today's cash out. You can click the description about each about member count, waiting count. You can click and you can see about description. Okay, you can close. Okay, and here you can see about countdown timer. When the market is slow, this time will active. You can see about explanation in here. Okay, explanation of the countdown to the large jackpot. You can close, you can open, you can read it, and you can close. Okay, about daily rewards, countdown to final rewards, you can see the timer countdown to daily rewards, and you can click this to explanation about this countdown to the small jackpot. So you can see button to buy Mafro token. You can see the explanation of buy Mafro token here. You can close. There is deposit button, withdraw button, help immediately button. You can click to get the explanation about immediate help. Yes, you can close it, and you can see provide help button. If you want to deposit, if you want to provide help, deposit your money, you can click this button, and also get help button, GH button, and PH button. Okay, make a contribution for PH and make a withdrawal for GH button. Okay, and you can see about show a completed or cancelled orders. You can click. Okay, the story of your pH and the story of your GH, you can see here. The story of your when you buy Mavro token, you can see here, and you can hide it. Okay, you can show a completed cancelled request. This is the history about your pH and your GH too. Okay, and here at the bottom you can see about wallet address and the button to donation. You can click for explanation. Okay, you can close it, and here about Global Charity Fund, you can click for the explanation. Okay, just that's all about dashboard. And then you can click menu participant, and here you can see your referral. Okay, then you can click my page, and in this page you can see your wallet address, name, Mavro amount, everything about your data. You can fill. Okay, my status. You can see about your provider name. Okay, about time zone, currency. Okay, only USDT here, and you can get your referral link here to you can copy this to get your referral link, of course. And this about your personal information. Okay, and then you can click my letter of happiness. And this is my okay, I have make my first letter of happiness, and I can see here this is my first letter of happiness. The story about letter of letter of happiness that you have made. Okay, you can click this button to add my letter of happiness. Just enter your order number here and click next. Okay, and that's all about my page. And then you can click promotion to see how much your active referrals and how much all active referrals in your structure. Okay, and if you have referrals 15 referrals and all active referrals about 30 referral, more than 30 referral, you can click this button leader test and you can pass the test and be a leader. Or if you have 10 referrals and all active referrals more than 30 active referrals, you can promote to a leader after pass the test. Just click this button when you get 10 active direct referrals and pass the test. If you have 15 active direct referrals and have more than 100 active referrals, you can promote to manager and click this button to pass the test. Okay, and now about Mapfro. In this menu, you can see your referrals PH and your bonus. For details, you can click all orders. Okay, you can click load more. And all of your bonus and from your active referrals you can see here. Okay, you can see how much. If you click this available for withdrawal, you can see how much Mapfro that you can to GH or to get help. Okay, you can click Mapfro commemorative token to see how much your Mapfro token, and I have 50 Mapfro token left here. Okay, and you can see the deposit button if you want to deposit Mapfro token, and this for later, maybe 1 year from now. Okay, and you can withdraw maybe to exchanger. Maybe next year you can use this button. Okay, then you can click for detail. You can click one by one about this button to see status of every single data here. Okay, you can click future to see every day your Mapfro grow, and here I have 0.2 Mapfro every day, 1% from 20 USDT. Okay, maybe that's all about Mapfro. And now you can click lottery. Every UPH 100 USDT, you will get one number that will be written here, and you can see about the winner here. Okay, I don't get my lottery number because I PH only 20 USDT. Maybe next. Okay, oh, this is data about day. Okay, can close. Okay, now about account. Okay, in this page you can see about your wallet address, data, your ID number, your name, your currency, USDT, of course, verification status verified. Okay, that's all. And this menu you can see Telegram group for English group and Telegram group for Chinese group. Just click and you direct to the group, okay, of MMMDAP, English group and Chinese group. And the last about news, and you can click the button. You can see about news here, and the latest news is MMMDAP is recruiting copywriting and video specialists from the market. You can click and read about the news. Okay, okay, maybe that's all about this video about every page in this MMMDAP, my personal office. Every page I have explained you about every page in your personal office, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you and bye.